Nestled on over 5 peaceful acres in the heart of Stafford, this stunning single-level estate offers a rare combination of privacy, refined design, and captivating gardens. Savor beautiful views of the surrounding vineyards, the Cascade Range, and the picturesque valley. A 700-foot paved driveway leads to this thoughtfully crafted residence, surrounded by vibrant gardens, a true outdoor oasis. Inside, the custom-built home opens to soaring ceilings and a dramatic 15-foot stone fireplace. Walls of windows frame multiple gracious spaces to relax or entertain. An elevated deck overlooks the meticulous landscaping, including English, Japanese, and serene Zen gardens. The chef's kitchen is both functional and inviting, featuring double ovens, a large central island, and premium appliances, ideal for hosting gatherings or everyday living. The spacious primary suite offers calm and comfort, with direct access to the back deck and views of the surrounding landscape. The ensuite bath includes a soaking tub, spacious shower, dual vanities, and 2 walk-in closets. With 4 total bedrooms and a flexible layout, the home is brilliantly designed with no detail overlooked. A separate suite with double pocket doors is ideal for a private guest wing or ADU, offering versatile living options. In addition to this expansive private wing, you'll find a lower-level recreation or exercise room, adding even more function and flexibility to the home's design. A private balcony overlooks the peaceful landscape. Every space is thoughtfully created to offer both tranquility and timeless charm. A Japanese-inspired tea house is ready for quiet evenings connecting to nature. You'll also find a generous 3-car garage and ample storage. From its elegant architecture to its impeccable grounds, this one-of-a-kind estate blends comfort, style, and peaceful surroundings, making it the perfect place to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.